Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we're going to show you the new SENBONO S10 smartwatch. As we can see, we have here the SENBONO S10 smartwatch in carbon fiber, plastic and rubber bands. So this smartwatch, it's waterproof. It has a 1.3-inch screen with 400 mAh lithium battery. It has a anti-lost reminder, so it has automatic alarm after Bluetooth connection is disconnected. It has power saving mode, music, black playback, so you can skip the song, pause it, play it, etc. In standby mode, it will last 45 days. In using mode, or by using it, it will last 7 to 10 days. It has different options starting from heart rate, real-time heart rate detector, exercises, all weather, and different kind of options. So let's go ahead and unbox it, and we will see more for the SENBONO S10. So now here we have the box. It's a simple box, so let's go ahead. And we have here the watch. Let's go underneath. We have the charger. It's a magnetic charger, as we used to see in these bigger smartwatches. We have the bands, and we have the user manual. So let's go ahead and put these bands on. So it's very simple to put these bands. If you haven't seen our previous videos with some of the smartwatches that has the same bands, we showed you how to put these kind of bands on with these clips. And here we have, let's peel this off and start. Here we have now the watch started. We have different kinds of first faces. We have this one, and this one, it's the time, percentage of battery in top, date, day, steps, burn calories, and kilometers. If we press and hold, we have the classic one. I don't know if you can see that. It's very simple. We have now the next one. We have percentage of battery in top, kilometer, burn calories, the day, time, date, steps, and blood pressure measurement. And we have the white one to call that. We have the time in the top, day, percentage of battery, steps, and kilometers. And again the first one. So let's go through the new watch. We have sports for today, steps, burn calories, and distance or kilometers. We have here walking, swimming, cycling, running, and this was all. We have health. In health we have heart rate, blood pressure, or this one was the blood oxygen. We have the blood pressure and heart rate again. These are not typed with the name, but we are going to say after the image that they have. We have information or messages, sleep, and we have the weather, and we have device. Here in device we have flip over, we have device version, shutdown, restore factory value, stopwatch, and that's all. So as you can see, this smartwatch is not that complicated. It's really simple to use, a very simple software. In the outside, as we saw, we have carbon fiber body, rubber bands or silicone bands. In the bottom we have the sensors and the charging point, and we have two buttons for screen. The first one is to power it on and off, and the second one is for back or for the sport mode. So let's go ahead now and try this watch, test all the options that we see, and let's see what we have from this watch. So we have now here in our hand the watch. I forgot to tell you that we have here the brightness, so we can lower it or bright it, and in the bottom we have the music control. As I said, you can control the music, and I don't know if you can hear this, but whenever you press it you can basically feel a little vibration. So let's go ahead to the health first. We have the heart rate or blood pressure. I don't know exactly what this is. As you can see, it doesn't show you the real name, but we have to say what we see in these images. And still measuring, we don't have still no information for the blood pressure. I don't know if you have to keep this awake by pressing it, touching it, or what's the deal, but we don't have any information for the blood pressure measurement. Let's go and see what we got in the blood oxygen. Maybe we do have an information in this option. Still measuring again. We have to wait too long for this information. Again, we don't have any information for the blood oxygen. I'm gonna try one more time, and maybe this one will give us some result. And again, we are not getting any result at all. What a shame for this smartwatch. Let's go ahead and at least try the sport mode. We have walking. Press start. As you can see, immediately the seconds are going. We have the blood pressure, kilometer, burnt calories, and steps. Let's go and test the swimming. Again, we have blood pressure, burnt calories, and the seconds immediately starting to count. At least the sports are working. So you can see that this smartwatch is basically not working too good, but in the outside look is one of the best smartwatches out there. The carbon fiber is looking really good, and these bands are comfortable. At least this watch looks good and sits good. So this was all for today's video. If you have any questions, suggestions, feel free to comment down below. And thank you for your support. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, keep supporting us, and we will post more videos with smartwatches and other smart technology. See you in the next video.